Tropical storm conditions likely. Periods of heavy rain. Humidity 72. Monday, tropical storm conditions likely. Windy. Periods of rain in the morning. High 83. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Tuesday, it apparently says that it's supposed to be partly cloudy.
Yeah, here it said partly sunny.
Yeah, or partly sunny, whatever.
Yeah, like nothing ever happened.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll be like Matthew where the weather gets really nice afterwards.
Yeah, probably. Temperature will be in the 80s. He's wearing a helmet.
Yeah, well, he doesn't want to get hit by...
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
First off, it ain't even in this area. It's in another county. Well, there went our power. Yeah. Yep, and this time it would cause all the lights to go completely out instead of flicker. Yeah. Oops. Oopsie. See how bad is the rain. Oh, this floor is wet for when my mom came. Well, it sounds like someone's security system over there just went off. It's very windy. All the frogs are still out though. But see, we got sandbags placed there in front of the garage. It's all wet. Well, it doesn't feel like the rain is like heavy, it's mostly just misting, but it feels more misty than actually like heavy rain, but it is very windy out. Alright. I better go back in.
To your Wi-Fi network. You can find setup instructions in the Help section of your Alexa app.
Yes, we did. Yep, that's Hurricane Irma for y'all. We're not actually like in the direct path of it, but it's affecting us pretty good. We didn't have to evacuate, but it is causing our power to blink as you just saw. Oh. Alright. I've been in my jammies all day. So yeah, as I said in my video that I made a few nights ago, everyone just stay safe and hang in there.